2025 umubuya we-graduation. Good.
Right. Back again, Sanje. Skanje. Sibuye kanje.
Bigger.
Ginje. Intombi yasinta nginje. Said I'm sweet just like strawberry. 4-5 girls just like Sele. Wena bangithanda nama ngizenza. Intombi yasinta nginje. Said I'm sweet just like strawberry. 4-5 girls just like Sele. Wena bangithanda nama ngizenza. Intombi yasinta nginje. Intombi yasinta nginje.
Kuba yimini hayi kanje asiye phambili kumecela
Obatshele mfethu size ngani la mfethu qe obuye ngemuva phela.
Yes, shout out to everyone bafethu Tsimangwe ngize graduation into nami hamba no pap the behind the camera.
Oh yes.
Sazongitshengisa.
Ziyakhala ke namhlanje ke. Ivlog encane sipexezi namhlanje. Cela ngihlebele ipexeza light.
Yes, lapho hamba into nami siyabuyela babingelela siyavloga la.
Babingelele phela bu.
Ufuna kuba yimini hayi kanje asiye phambili kumecela cela uzonimala give me the page they playing the duty I'm running the range oh she calling me strange new chapter I'm flipping the page DJ
Intombi yasinta nginje. Said I'm sweet just like strawberry. 4-5 girls just like Sele. Wena
TDL Tsimangwe. Kevin behind the camera.
Yeah.
Sisebenzisa
Oboveza iphepha.
Saye man.
Iphepha
Siqokanga kikhindi.
Ngiyakutshela ke nanibonile.
Ola mshana.
Uzoqala uzofika.
Ola mshana.
Bese nayo intana yami izograduate la mfethu. Sure, Johnson sure.
Correct nami.
Bani? Ulisa mfethu Ulisa.
Mfethu nambona kulisa.
Sure Lisa.
Background nami.
Mfethu njengoba besishilo mfethu size kubuka mfethu. Intwana esencane. Zile sopexeza light. Wabe ube besopexeza nani yazi besophathana nani yazi.
Bese kuqoka ikhindi futhi.
Bese pa.
Awuthini Sunday sizowe graduation yentwana. Ubhexeza sizibhexeza umhla 5 le ibhadini kaLubi bafethu.
Yeah bafethu.
yithi yo
Behind the camera ipipe tag asu phezulu. Yabona nje manje lesikhona. Ngifuna uchaza into eningi lokho ngisingangifunda la. Kodwa ngilethe intwana yami la bafethu. Yona esifunda la. Ngizobona Simba wasimade behind uyena made udalo ezinomthamo
Yeah uyena mfethu lo nje.
leyo ndoda
Cha ngeke umdala uMaria lo.
yakusiza uNtuzana njama sibheka umdala
Yeah indodana yakhe.
ingane yakhe yona yo
Firstborn obalekile nawu firstborn wethu.
Tsimanga bafethu pap the behind the camera senjalo wena
Yeah.
nangumdala
Umdala bafethu lo.
nangcwele TDL bafethu ayikho kodwa thina simele sikanje
Nazo ke qe nangempela.
mhlawumbe sokutshengisa uMaria
Hi, Mama. I'm done.
Oh yes.
Over, we back in the school. Ntombaki young Tanda, she think that I'm cute. Got a fed us and she came to the crib. She want me to grab it and that is the truth. She came to the school and brought all her friends. And honestly, so guess it's hambangati. She suck on my dick like she playing a flute. Fuck her so good and I leave her on me. Switch it up, then I might bring it up. Tell all these niggas that I really came here to rap. Never had a chance to really commit. I had to focus and I came to adapt. Busting down doors, and if you have a problem, tell all these niggas to bust out the strap. Ntombaki Tanda, she know that I'm cuffed. She wanna come over, she wants to take a nap.
Gonna check out the view, she know that I'm cuffed, but she showing me clues.
Khuphuka ndothi befuna ukusibuka nakho ukuhlwa phandle kufika ubusuku sipheke kitchen bazogcina kwisuku emotion iningi befuna ukushoot le ntombi yakhe emnyama ngizoyibondisa uphutha sibondisa izumba silibondisa iquphu ironically hlelo sikeke kwikhuphu nangu LK yengiphasela
Yeah,
ihluphu
I'm in the kitchen, sasibheka ushadini. Top in the game, sibheka ikepisi. You're talking me making no sense, uhlafuna ichepisi. Mese ubhayisa sokuthuma uphu. Sokuthuma uphu, nangebhayisa umthuma uphu.
yeah I'm saving the rap game with no cake.
Ngaka. Shoot. Abachele boy. Abachele so. Boo. A1.
Gotta hop in the coupe. Yeah, if you coming with smoke, nigga, ngizokushisa ngentuza. Yeah, semang no